Here in the great state of Texas, man, hometown race for me. Well, somewhat hometown, only 4 hours from the house. Pumped on this weekend. There's a couple good things. It's a sand track, which I'm stoked on. I love when it gets rough and nasty. And the second thing is the doubleheader weekends. First time I've ever done one of these, so it's gonna be interesting. We have 2 motos today and then 1 moto on Sunday. So it's gonna be a survival, especially with being rough and the doubleheader weekend, but I'm excited for it. Hopefully be up on that box and see what we can do this weekend.
What's up, everybody? It's Bryce Ford here. I'm really excited to ride the track this weekend. It's my home race in Texas, and I train here sometimes. But I'm really excited for this track. It looks like it's going to be a really good day today, and I'm just excited to race and have fun.
What's up, guys? We're here at Three Palms in Conroe, Texas. New venue for us. We actually used to come here back in the day, probably 2013 or 2012. RipitupFilms and I were here back with Splendora. We'd come ride this track every once in a while, so it's cool to be back here, mixing it up again with a new venue for the schedule. Double header too, which is going to be interesting. We haven't had one of them, I mean, since I've been racing pro ever, so this is very unique. And we're doing 2 motos today, normal format today, and then Sunday we'll run 1 moto. It'll be in the schedule, so it's going to be, like I said, unique. You know, the riders' fatigue will come into play. You know, just preparing for this race was different because we have so many motos to race and ride. We have another qualifier, another moto, so that adds up. It don't seem like much, but that is a lot more for us. And you know, hopefully I prepared well enough and I can go out here and, you know, bust some moto wins out and come home happy.